Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace the driver's side mirror on a Nissan Altima. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to avoid shorts. Remove the inner door trim carefully using a trim tool to access the mirror bolts. Unplug the mirror electrical connector, then remove the 3 mounting bolts with a 10 mm socket. Fit the new mirror, reconnect the wiring, tighten bolts, and reassemble the door trim securely. Be gentle when removing the door trim to avoid breaking plastic clips and scratching paint. Start at the corner and work around the panel with a plastic trim tool, releasing clips one by one. Carefully lift the sail panel to reveal the mirror electrical connector and unplug it before removing bolts. Keep screws and clips in a small container so reassembly is quick and accurate, and take photos if you need reference for alignment later. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty on your feet while you wrench. I find a good pair makes long repair sessions much more pleasant. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you snag a pair, enjoy the comfort. Now let's get back to the video. Before tightening everything, test the new mirror's power and heater functions to ensure proper connection. Hold the mirror in position and thread the mounting bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Tighten bolts evenly in a crisscross pattern to seat the mirror, then torque to snug values without over-tightening. Reinstall the sail panel and door trim, pressing clips firmly until they click, and restore the battery connection, confirming smooth mirror adjustment and heater operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.